everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So guys, I'm on day 3. Yay! Day 3 of exercising, fitness studio, on the journey to losing weight. Yes. So yesterday I ended the video and I ended the video with weighing myself and I'm up to 70 kilos. 70 kilos. Oh my gosh. The last time I was that heavy was when I was pregnant. Okay, whatever. Yes, so yeah, I'm gonna go a little bit over 5 kilos. I want to at least get down to 62, 63. That's my ideal weight. Yes, it's a little bit thin, but that is my ideal weight. Okay. So anywho, I'm ready to roll. It's nice and early. Just dropped my daughter off, so I am so ready to jump into fitness. I even got a light color top on. It doesn't always have to be a light color. This is a cute little jacket from Nike, and I've had it for a while. You can see. It's cute. It's in an XS though, but I bought it years ago. A few years ago. I was a lot thinner than what I was, so it fit perfectly. But now it's just fitting tight, tight. So it's okay. It still fits. And then I got these cute little pants on from H&M. By the way, I really like H&M sportswear. I can highly recommend H&M sportswear, really. I think their things are just as cute as the name brands. And actually, I want to throw in some pictures, So, like when you go out, when you're get ready to go do your fitness, you don't necessarily have to look crazy. You can look stylish. Some of these, like stretch pants, these fitness pants, you can even wear every day. Yeah, believe it or not, you can wear them every day. You can style them up with a cute little blazer jacket, or you can hook them up. I'm going to throw in some pictures of how I would hook it up. So just so you know, you don't necessarily have to go out looking sporty. You can also, dress it down. A few years ago, it was kind of in trend, to wear the Adidas pants on the stripe with the stripes, with some heels, and a cute little blazer jacket, 80s style, mid-waist or mid-thigh, those 80s blazer jackets. Yeah. Anywho, yes, so I am so ready. This time I'm not going to walk down. I got some errands to run, so I'm not going to walk down today, even though today is a lovely day to walk down. I'm going to drive, and I'm not going to stay that long. 2 hours, the tops. So I am definitely ready to roll. It's so funny because yesterday I came from the gym, and most people are so used to seeing me with my eyelashes and face all totally done up. And so one lady was like, "Ooh, where's your eyelashes?" And I just thought, some people, I swear, you just don't know who be looking and checking you out. I tell you, man, oh man, the moment any little change, they're like on it like cats and dogs. Cats and dogs. No, that doesn't fit. Like flies on crack, you know what I mean? Anywho, so no, I don't wear eyelashes during fitness. It just doesn't make sense. Afterwards, okay. But right now, I which palette did I use this morning for this eye look? Oh gosh, which palette? Yeah, I used the Natasha Denona to get this eye look, which is really nice. It's not too much, a little bit of eyeliner, and I don't put any foundation on. I just use the my MAC Strobe cream. That'll give you enough of color. Gives you a little bit of glistening color. I put a little bit of concealer and some concealer from MAC Prolong Wear, this guy. And then I used Huda Beauty for the base for the eyeshadow. And yeah, I used this Natasha Denona Safari palette for this eye look. And the colors I used, let's see, real quick. I used, did I use this one? No, did I use this one this morning? No, I did not use this one. Excuse me, guys. Wait a minute, there was another one I used. Sometimes I'm so quick about my eye looks. No, it was the other Natasha Denona. Yes, it's the other one. Sorry, guys. This one. The Sindol palette. Yes, that's the one I use. Yes. I use the Balance, this color here. And then I used Mindful to deepen the corners, to give it a little bit of a smoky eye. And then I use Vigor underneath, because I like to smoke that out as well. And then I just used my favorite Yves Laurent eyeliner to give that cat eye look. And that's it. And of course I did my eyebrows. I can't go nowhere but looking without having my eyebrows done. So yes. And to get me going, maybe you guys are probably wondering what kind of music or what do I be listening to on my headphones? I'm listening to everything. I'm listening to other YouTubers. I'm listening to music this morning. I'm going to be listening to some good old drum and bass. I don't know if anybody's from that drum and bass area, but I love me some drum and bass. It just really gets me going. And when I came to Europe, drum and bass was really big. And so, I don't know, drum and bass just never left me. I just love it. And one of my favorite musicians from back in the drum and bass time is LTJ Buckham. Yes, LTJ Buckham. Logical Progression. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. You know, crazy music. Okay, anyway. All right, so that's what I'm listening to. Yes. I'm so ready. And yeah, guys, let's do it. Stick around, don't go nowhere. Oh, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to hear more from me. And yeah, I'm going to be vlogging. I'm going to try to do it every day. Maybe not every single day, because I'm not going to be in the fitness studio every single day. I'm going to try at least go 4 times a week, because I definitely have a goal and I'm on a mission. I got to get this weight down. I know you guys are probably like, where does she lose weight? I feel it. My clothes are tight. I don't like that. They look crazy. So, yeah, I want to get that weight down. So, yes, guys. So if you want to hear more from me, subscribe. Like I said, I'm going to be vlogging every day, every other day, or I'll try to vlog as much as possible so you guys can experience the journey of losing weight and how I go about. And yeah, and also I'm going to show you all, like, what do I eat to also maintain, because after having such a good workout, it does not make any sense to go out and pig out and get a whole bunch of food. No. Small meals. I eat lots of salad, so I'm a salad freak, and I do believe the reason why I put on this weight, in all honesty, because when I was in Fuerteventura, I did splurge a little bit. I went out to eat a little bit too much. I ate a lot of potatoes, fries, and junk, and that stuff will add some weight to you. But I think the reason why I gained a little bit more pounds is because like I said, I've had cravings for peanuts. Yes, peanuts, hot peanuts, spicy peanuts, honey, salt peanuts. Oh, I love peanuts. So I've toned down on the peanuts. I have not eaten peanuts in a few days now. And if I do eat some peanuts, then I'm gonna try to only eat them on the weekend and then like not kill a whole bag. Although I love peanuts, yes. And peanuts, yeah, they will add some weight onto you. Nothing wrong with that, but just not in a big quantity. So anyway, yes. Okay, guys, see you in a bit.